Hi, this is Yolanda from VanVeenBulbs.com. And in this segment, we're going to learn about how to use used coffee grounds in the garden. So I really believe in organic gardening and not using any chemicals or any additives or preservatives or body parts in bodily fluids in my garden. But I do make an exception for coffee grounds. And they work for a variety of reasons. And a little bit goes a long ways. First of all, it's best to use coffee grounds that have already been used, that they've already had water run through them and they've turned into coffee, and so that whatever's left is just the remnants of the coffee. And they've done all kinds of studies and they found that used coffee is pretty neutral. It does have a lot of nutrition for the plants because it has minerals and calcium and phosphates and nitrogen all inside one little granule. But at the same time, once it's been used as coffee already, it's not going to hurt the ground as much as you think it would. And they say animals too. It doesn't have a lot of caffeine left in it once it's been used. So it's not that dangerous for animals. So I always try to make sure and use used coffee grounds and not fresh. But a little bit goes a long way. And they're finding too all types of reasons why it's good for your garden. For example, the slugs don't seem to like the coffee grounds. And I think it's more because it's like bark dust. I found too, just a little layer of bark dust makes all the difference too, because it dries out on top. It dries out really easily, not like compost that stays wet. And slugs need a wet surface to go over. So if you've got coffee grounds or even bark dust a little bit over your garden area, then it doesn't seem to, so the slugs don't like it. And also it repels a lot of animals. Cats too don't seem to like the smell. So if you've got cats in your garden, you can always use coffee grounds or cayenne pepper or anything that they're not going to like. And it seems to help a lot. So as I said, a little bit goes a long way. So I always sprinkle a bit on the bulbs in the fall or in the spring. And just a little bit on the top of the beds here and there. And it seems to color them up, and it seems to give your plants a little bit of nutrition. And they say our landfills are really getting filled up with all types of matter that's just garbage to us. And if we can take garbage and turn it into a good thing, that's always wonderful. And even adding a little bit of this to your compost pile too, they found will add a lot more nutrition to it, and it'll make it break down much quicker. So don't throw away those coffee grounds. Use them in your compost pile and in your garden.